for 18-inch wheel. Fits tire width between 1.75 and 2.125. Schrader valve. Model number 91076. Brand Goodyear. Valve type Schrader. Bike type mountain bike. Wheel size 18 inches. Goodyear bicycle tubes are the perfect replacement for your bike. They are durable and affordable and comes with a name you can trust. Top reviews from the United States. Great value and product. When all the stores are sold out, Amazon to the rescue with getting the right size to me to fix my son's bike. Works great and perfect.